Well, someone just shouted my name and someone's got a smile on their face. Explain to me why I've had my name shouted.
Why? Because we've mounted the first Honda part to the Mitsubishi Colt.
That's fantastic. That is a gear linkage.
Gear linkage.
Yeah, fantastic.
You're not that engine though, mate.
Yeah, there's nothing on the end of it yet.
Admittedly, there's nothing on the end of the linkage, but me and Jason had a few hours this afternoon and decided that what we were going to try and tackle today was gear linkage and get the linkage mounted into the bottom of the car.
Yeah.
And to work on the pedals and try and get everything functionally onto the pedals so that everything was working. And then obviously next step is obviously get the engine in the hole. So
we've mounted the shifter in the same original place a normal shifter would be in the car.
yeah.
Great
We'll
stuff.
just modify this ends to meet all the original engine. One of the original.
Well, congratulations to us.
Thanks for coming.
In my mouth. Can't say that.
So, it's okay to be gay nowadays, Dan.
It's okay to. Is that going on a t-shirt? Jason, it is okay.
Yeah.
But it's still.
Or you could be a tomato if you want to be a tomato as well.
It is okay, but it's our secret.
It can be a tomato if you want one. I mean, obviously.
Or a fucking cucumber or a carrot.
Or you could be a brown Mitsubishi Colt that identifies as a Honda. Well, a little bit more progress, as you can see. It's not actually in. It's literally on a pallet in there. But you can see the sort of what it's going to look like. You can see what it's going to look like, and you can see that there's still a lot of work to do. But fingers crossed. I'm feeling happy. I'm feeling good about it. We've got a Honda part actually installed, and it looks like things are going to clear. So. But yeah, the lads have been at it today, and I suppose next time we see it, they'll be mocking up some engine mounts and things like that. But just a short little video. Bless its little heart. God, I'm so excited. So excited. Whoop.